Get out your hammers, everyone. We're going to build some chords. Hey there, this is Ruth Roland with another installment in my fiddle backup tutorial series. We don't actually build chords with hammers and nails. We build them with notes. Chords are what you hear strummed on a guitar while someone's singing or played on a piano. There are a bunch of notes played at the same time, usually 3 or 4 notes. And in order to play a good fiddle backup or any backup, we need to know how to build them. The musical alphabet goes from A to G and then starts over. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on. If we start on the root of the chord is the name of the chord, like a D chord or a G chord. We start on the note that has the same name as the chord. And then we choose every other note from there. So say it's an A chord, A, and then skipping B, C, and then skipping D, E. We have A, C, E. That's all there is to it. Let's say we want to build a D chord. D, skipping E, F, skipping G, A, D, F, A. Great. What if we want to add another note? We would skip B and add C, and there you have it. There are refinements we can make, sharps we can put in, flats sometimes. Mostly it's just choosing every other note, and you can choose as many as you want, but in fiddling we only use 3 or 4 notes in a chord. And then you find those same notes on your violin in every octave. So for instance, the note A can be first finger on the G string, 4 on D, open A, or 3 fingers on E. So you have all those A's to choose from. Then find a way to play another note in the chord that's easy for you and feels good. All right, so to build a chord, you choose every other note, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to make sure you know when the next video posts. We'll be talking about the different colors of chords. See you then.